Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain and show you how to see the routing number in Bank of America. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now, in order to see the routing number in Bank of America, what you're gonna have to do is simply log into the mobile banking app, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply from the accounts overview, tap to select your checking or savings account, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to account info, and next to the account number simply tap on view, and as you can see at the bottom you're gonna see the routing numbers. So basically that's all you have to do in order to see the routing number in Bank of America. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.